Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we've got Pepe, the most recognizable meme, the meme that is supposed to overtake SHIB, at least, get into the top 2 or maybe even overtake Dogecoin. So a lot of hope and a lot of recognition goes to Pepe for sure. This meme coin can move, it's done the numbers, it has exceeded all the expectations, and of course, a lot of you are going to be wondering, well, how can a meme coin just pump so high? There must be someone behind it, there must be like a cartel, some big names. Guys, I'm going to be very clear to you, and I'm going to be very honest. There could be, very influential people behind it. There could be insiders or whatever. As long as my money and my bag is pumping, because that is what matters to me. As long as your bag is pumping. If we are going to speculate and be like, okay, there were some that knew about this before and so on. Look, good for them, and I wish I could be part of it. But to, really basically, discard the fact that this meme coin is going to go very high in this alt season would be crazy. I know that this meme coin is going to have the craziest breakout. Why? So why do I think so? First of all, when we look at the market cap, right? Yes, it's in the billions. But guys, last bull run, SHIB does 40 billion, Doge does 80 billion. Less people were interested in memes. Less people were interested in cryptos. There are about 300 million crypto users now. There's double the amount. So, of course, guys, there's going to be way more money pouring in. So for this number to grow, to go to 30 billion, 60 billion, I wouldn't be surprised. Now, a lot of money is also going to be going to Pepe because of the fact that SHIB and Doge, yeah, they're very popular and they are the bitcoins of meme coins, but they have been milked out and taken advantage of already. So a lot of the investors want something safe, but they also want to be able to make large returns at the same time, like at least a 10x. So for Pepe to do a 10x isn't such a big deal. Guys, 30 billion isn't that much for a crazy bull run that's about to come. So again, another reason why I think this could be pumping like no tomorrow. Also, whenever we have Bitcoin moving, whenever we have the markets rallying, going positively, Pepe moves, and it moves very well. Guys, with, such a big market cap, for it to do like 9% in the space of just one day, that's a big number. Guys, it can pop off, it can move, it's got the exposure, people know about it. I mean, look at the type of following that it has. This stuff goes viral, people talk about it, it gets views. Everybody knew about the frog ages ago. Guys, it's been around since like 2005, so of course, this has established itself. And the point here is that everybody's going to be focusing on where is the money going to go into, which narrative. I'm going to be very clear to you. The narrative that it's going to be going into is obviously the meme narrative. As you can see it here, the type of returns that were produced in Q1 were absolutely insane. The money to be made from Pepe is going to break your minds. Guys, I watch a lot of videos. Yeah, I follow a lot of YouTubers and influencers. I'm active, and I can tell you right now that everybody's got Pepe on their radar as, a safe investment and an investment that can go at least 10x. This thing can blow up, and it can not only just blow up in general, but prove to everyone that at the end of the day, these charts, when you open up these rankings, let me show you here, right? So let me just click on memes. Guys, these big boys up here, the top 5, top 10, but I'd even say top 5 are going to be receiving all the money. And Pepe is in third position, so it's very comfortable. Yes, it's had a bit of a scuffle here with Dog with Hat, but guys, it has broken Dog with Hat. It can double in terms of volume in 24 hours. It does more volume than Shiba Inu. You can even see it here. Market cap is massive, okay? Yeah, quite close to dog we've had, but still, you have to understand that since Pepe has also made the news last year when we were in a very bearish time, Pepe was killing it. People were making money. It was defying all the odds. People were saying that this was just a one-trick pony, but it went very, very far. And, you know, people managed to start, you know, making even more money. We saw this rally here, right? And then it was kind of quiet in the bearish market, consolidated. We saw some big dumps, we saw some burns and so on, okay? You can even see $16 million worth of Pepe stolen here. So yes, I mean, guys, 3x team members steal 16. But going through all this, everything that happened, this thing ends up peaking like no tomorrow, ends up doing crazy volume, guys, crazy in the billions, consolidates. And now everybody's talking about this being the next thing. And remember, the thing that can move is the charts, of course, you know, the exchanges. It's got massive exchange listings here. And it's predicted to get some other big ones. Of course, you know, Binance protecting it. Coinbase should be coming in. We've got some regions of Robinhood listing it. But also, guys, the fact that people just want the next big thing. Everybody's looking for the next big thing. Do we go down low in the charts and we look for that super micro cap and look for that 10,000x? I mean, yeah, some of them will pop off, but guys, that's extremely risky. If you almost want to guarantee to make money, if you want to see your bags multiply, and you want to go into something that already everybody knows about, everybody has invested into, where there's loads of whales and lots of, you know, pressure to push that price up, well, Pepe looks like the cleanest meme you can go into. And you know what's beautiful about Pepe? It runs this whole narrative, this whole story that Shiba Inu had, you know, with a lot of zeros. It deletes the zeros, people turn their money into millions and billions, and here we are, you know, the future generation of crypto millionaires have been created. And you could create a lot of money as well. I mean, if you play your cards well, guys, if you're going into Pepe, you're diversifying, you could make a ton of money. But Pepe is definitely one to actually, you know, really blow your accounts that next level for sure. Ethereum's going to do a lot, obviously running on Ethereum. So they're going to do a lot to push Pepe, the narrative, every time. Guys, if you think about it, like, I don't know if you have like some exchanges downloaded, the applications on your phone, you might be receiving notifications, and you always get notifications from specific coins, right? Pepe went up, Pepe went down. So obviously this gets a lot of exposure, unlike any other one. So yes, the fact that it's so big, that's up in the charts, that we're going into the alt season, the fact that, you know, Coinbase still needs to list it, that volume is just outstanding. The influencers are talking about it. Everything put together, look, everything just put together could take it to a beautiful market cap. My prediction, guys, you know, I don't know exactly how far, but if I had to just guess around, because a lot of people are always like, well, Gossipator, tell us what you think. How about a 50 billion? How about a 50 billion? Why not? When all that money starts pouring in, could be the case. Now, if this goes to 50 billion, that would be beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I mean, you're more than 10xing your, obviously your returns. But on top of it, you have again hit the right meme and the right crypto in the bull run. You've made the most out of it, and you should feel very positive to go into the next bull run or whatever it is. You know, it really does give confidence to get it right, and you cannot get it wrong with this one for sure. So me personally, I have a bit of my money in this, and I'm very happy and stable with it. Okay, and as I'm seeing how it keeps on moving up and down, how much volume there is, that's only encouraging me and getting me to realize that maybe I should be loading up my bags heavier. Okay, so please let me know down below how you guys feel about Pepe. What are your hopes like for Pepe? Have you got a bag in Pepe? And yeah, guys, don't forget to turn that notifications bell on with the subscription button, like, share, all that great stuff matters. And as usual, guys, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.